When illness or injury afflicts us deep inside our bodies, the very fact that it's hidden can lead to worry or distress. These secrets of the body can be uncovered by radiology, but only if the technology is expertly handled. Dr. Philip Burke, a specialist diagnostic radiologist, is the principal practitioner at Procare Radiology, one of only a handful of non-hospital-based radiology practices in Johannesburg.
I've worked with Dr. Burke for at least the last 25 to 30 years, and I found his level of clinical competence, how much he cares for the patients, and how available he is for the patients to be of an exceptional level. And he's always willing to go that extra mile for both the general practitioner, the specialist, and especially for the patient. Also, if a radiologist can rapidly get to the diagnosis, it leaves the patient in a state of uncertainty for the minimal amount of time.
Dr. Burke's personal involvement extends also to his close cooperation with specialists and surgeons.
The skill of the radiologist is really, it's an extension of my practice that I need. It's an integral part. I can't fully assess essentially a thyroid gland or something in the neck or a neck mass without good radiological assessment, and that expertise varies hugely. Philip Burke I've now known and worked with for a number of years, and I'm very comfortable using him, and I'm confident in his ability, and so are the patients that see him.
What I do enjoy is a good report from a radiologist, which is detailed and trustworthy, and where they also make their own comments, because you've got to work as a team. So I enjoy Philip's working. I enjoy working with him because he does give me good feedback and a good comprehensive report.
To achieve this level of service, the most advanced equipment and technology is employed.
In this ever-changing world where we have tremendous technology available, it's all very well having fancy technology, but if the doctor can't interpret it, that's a waste of time. Given his level of expertise and his level of interest and his level of being at the cutting edge of technology, he can use the best technology at the best time for the patient.
I think what's unique that we offer is quality service, but more importantly, there's personalized service, that the patients are treated with utmost respect, and there's a personal relationship between the patient and the doctor.
But it's particularly in his dexterous use of ultrasound scans that Dr. Burke has proved to be one of the leaders in his field. The success of these scans depends on the operator's expert technique, without which optimal results cannot be obtained.
The experience of the radiologist, whoever is performing the procedure, is very crucial, that they can carefully differentiate between the different lesions that can occur in the thyroid or the other glands in the neck, and not only make the diagnosis, but at the same time should be able to stage the disease and give a clear classification as to what they suspect the impact on the patient will be.
Procare also provide a state-of-the-art cloud-based teleradiology service, which allows them to provide analysis and reports for all modalities and types of scans to doctors anywhere in the world.
All our radiology services are cloud-based, which means that within a few moments of completing the report, the referring doctor will have immediate access to the reports and the images that are performed in the department.
Dr. Burke performs many of these procedures himself, in particular ultrasound-guided fine needle aspiration biopsies and ablations, using his expert personal technique to consistently provide accurate outcomes to general practitioners, endocrinologists, and other specialists, including general surgeons and ENT surgeons. Basing his work on international classification guidelines, such as those of the American Thyroid Association, He's used these guidelines to perform many thousands of fine needle biopsies.
Dr. Burke saved my life twice. The first time when he found the tumor, which was, he found it just scanning across because of the growth that I had on the side, which wasn't cancerous and was, anybody could see that. Dr. Burke found the tumor. He did a biopsy and saw that it was cancerous, and we had it out. And there was no ways that I would have found that cancer without Dr. Burke. None of the doctors said they would have found it. It was that small. Dr. Burke found it.
This empathetic approach to patients is also obvious in the calm, professional atmosphere the clinic creates and the gentle approach of all support staff. By making bookings for their scans, patients can avoid queues and save time, while executives seeking peace of mind can make use of the clinic's comprehensive screening services. In this way, though our bodies may hide many of our ailments, Procare Radiology vividly reveals these secrets and so makes possible the most effective medical interventions.